Okay, hello, so this is Peter for EL6303 probability homework 2. So we're going to get question 2. Now that there's which is one of three parts. So question A part, find px2 equals to 1. So there's two options. So first x1 equals to 0. And second is x1 equals to 1. So we all make step 2, x2 equals to 1. Okay? So, and make it px2 x1 0, px2 0, also x1 1. Get it? Okay. So we already know that p x k plus 1 equals to 1 when xk equals to 0. That property is 0.4. So that's 0.4, and we have to times the probability of x1 equals to 0. So this is 0.2. Sorry, the order is 0.4 and times 0.2. And the probability of k plus 1 equals to 1 when xk equals to 1 is 0.7. And we have to times the probability of x1 equals to 1, so that's 0.8. Alright? Yep. Okay, so now we use a calculator or calculate by hand, so the result will be 0.64. Okay, question B. To calculate at x3 equals to 1, the probability of it. So there's two options, x2 equals to 0 or x2 equals to 1. We can use the results in question A. So 1 plus x3 equals to 1, x2 equals to 0, plus probability of x3 equals to 1, and x2 equals to 1. Yeah. Right? Cool. So the first one will be p x3 equals to 1 times p x2 equals to 1. x2 0, sorry. So we already know that xk plus 1 equals to 1 when xk equals to 0. The probability is 0.4. And we can just make the result, we can use the result in question A. So in question A, it says that px2 equals to 1, the probability is 0.64. So the x2 equals to 0, the probability of that is actually 1 minus 0.64. So, and next, the xk plus 1 equals to 1 when xk equals to 1, the probability is 0.7. And times 0.64, which we already got in question A. So we get results, right? See that? Okay, now we use a calculator or whatever. The result will be 0.592. Okay, question C. Find x1 equals to 0 when x3 equals to 1. Okay, so actually there's two options. Which x3 equals to 1 and x2 equals to 0 and x1 equals to 0. Another option is x3 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1 as well, and x1 equals to 0. So probably x3, x1 0 and x3 equals to 1. So I just make I just want to make shortly. Oh, sorry. So 100 means x3 is 1, x2 is 0 as 1 is 0. And 1, 1, 1, that, 1, 1, sorry, 1 is 1, 1, 0. Oops. Okay, 1, 1, 0. 1, 0 is x3 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1, and x3 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1, x1 equals to 0. So I'll make this short. Okay, so if, and because we calculating the probability under when x3 equals to 1, so we have to divide this the upside by the probability of x3 equals to 1. So 1, 0, 0 probability is 0.2 times 0.6 times 0.4, and 1, 1, 0 the probability is 0.2 times 0.4 times 0.7, and x3 equals 1, 0. We have got answer in question B. So that's 0.9592. Oops, sorry. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah. And if you use a calculator, you get a result is 0.1757. Right? Okay, that's the results. So quite straightforward. Okay, that's the question 2. So thanks all for watching, and see you next time.